Now, I would like to invite a very positive and hardworking leader because of his team. The world knows Tobys on social media. Live views and hardworking behind the screen. Now everyone, where you will go, everyone know Tobysouq. Tobysouq. He is the CEO of his Tobysouq. Please welcome Mr. Asad.
Good evening, everyone. I hope you all are enjoying this wonderful evening. And today we are here to celebrate our Chinese New Year as well as our 12th year annual anniversary. And it's a pleasure to be here with all of you guys. My name is Asad Ali, and currently I'm working as a founder and the CEO of our online department. I joined this company since 2018 as a graphic designer. Before joining this company, I worked in another Chinese company which have two platforms, Tobysouq and Comsouq.com. In that period, I worked as a sales manager there. From 2014 to 2018, I worked also as an Amazon AVS team member. So since now, from 2014 to now, I have an 11-year experience in our e-commerce business. As I joined in 2018 as a designer, so I created 10 social platforms because global market is stepping into our digital platform. So I created these 10 channels, Instagram, Facebook, and many other platforms. I created 2 platforms for e-commerce, which is Amazon and Noon. And later on, I created Tobysouq website for our e-commerce platform. Through these platforms, we sell a lot because through these channels, our brand visibility becomes worldwide. And in 2020 to 22, I started my own business where boss supported me a lot through products, through prices, and also gave me best wishes for the future. And in that business, I learned regarding e-commerce operations, management, and later on, I again rejoined our Tobys company in 2022. Since 2022 to now, you can see on the board, we are continuously growing because of my experience and my previous experience in my own company. We have next 5-year vision and plans, how we will increase and which ways we will increase. So we will implement that plans according to the time. So I'm especially thankful our online team who are really working very hard beyond the time, beyond the normal working hours. They achieve their targets and their tasks. And also special thanks to our purchasing team for ensuring orders requests from China to here on time. Special thanks to Mr. Niku and Mr. Abdullah. I really appreciate our warehouse team who are constantly working on our ordering fulfillment and deliveries. Also special thanks to our Saudi team for growing our online business in Saudi as well. At the last, Happy Chinese New Year to all. Wish you a very happy success in the future and Happy New Year. Thank you.